Welcome to another episode of Barnsley Biker Video Diaries. We've got a bit of sunshine, a little bit of warmth in it, still a bit of a cool breeze blowing at the moment, but I decided Sunday afternoon I was going to try and get out for a ride. Not going far, just a short one, and to be fair, the sun being so low in the sky, it's making the ride less than enjoyable at the moment, but hopefully on the way I'm going to go next, it should be sort of behind us, fingers crossed anyway. But yeah, I've just pulled up on one of my favourite roads just above Penistone. Hopefully the wind's not interfering with the mic too much, and before I set off, I'm just going to have a short jaunt from here, probably across to Emley, a little village where Emley Moormast is. Not sure, but I just thought while I'm stood here I'd show you what I've been up to over the winter with the Triumph, and obviously my new helmet. Yeah, I decided it was time to treat myself to a new helmet. The ones I've got at the moment I've had a while, and they were bought more on a budget than for safety, if you like. I mean, they're all right helmets, to be fair, they've got fairly good ratings, but I thought it was time to splash out and get myself a decent helmet, because the others were coming up to 4 or 5 years old. So I went for a showy down at the NEC last year. I tried on several helmets that I had my eye on, but the showy was the one that came out fitted best and suited my needs. So here it is, there you go, the Shoei GT Air 3, which was the helmet that I decided I wanted at the show, but after looking into it a little bit as well, I found out that you can fit quite easily a comm system. Difficult to see, but there, that's the switches for the Senna intercom, which all fits, battery in there, all fits very neatly inside the helmet. Speakers, the helmet is designed to take the Senna system, and so there are speakers built into that fit into the helmet as if they were built in. They're designed to just clip in place. So yeah, so I treated myself to that, and I think I've mentioned in a couple of my videos recently a couple of modifications to Triumph. I bought some handguards. These are cheap universal ones. I say cheap, but so far they're feeling quite good. If they work all right, I'm going to try and get some genuine Triumph ones, because I think the genuine ones will look neater. I think in one of my previous videos I talked about I'd fitted some adjustable levers. Well, the adjustment that they gave me wasn't that brilliant, so I've set myself to some more shorter ones, some stubby levers, but they give better reach for my, I've only got short fingers, so I've got better reach on the clutch. Show you the brake one there, there you go, gives me better reach and it gives me better adjustment for my short fingers. So yeah, we've done that, and I bought myself a little fly screen. Now I thought I'd be a bit of a cheapskate, and I got this second hand off eBay, and I was always of the opinion that the brackets on the Triumph Classic range here, headlight brackets, were all the same. Turns out they're not, and the screen I'd bought came with brackets to fit, I think probably a T100, something like that. So these mounting brackets, I had to buy new ones, which in the end it cost me a little bit more than I wanted to spend, but still did all right, still did all right. Okay, I'm going to go for a ride. As I say, we're going to head across to Emley. I'm going to stick Calimoto on and try and follow that, and we'll see how it goes.